Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you are watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, in this particular Sophos XDR series, today I am going to demonstrate how exactly you can download and install your Sophos Intercept X Advance with XDR agent. Because until and unless you are installing your Sophos agent on your systems, it's not going to protect. So let's understand how exactly you can download and install your Sophos XDR agent step by step after this small intro video. Hey, welcome back guys. Now let me open my Sophos console, and as you know that currently we are focusing on endpoint protection, right? So let's go inside that, and to download your package you will have to go to the installers, right? But prior to that, let me just verify one setting which is very important guys. Okay, that is tamper protection. So let's click on that and make sure your tamper protection is enabled, okay, because this is crucial. And now if I just scroll down, then here you will see your endpoint protection agent as well as XDR agent. But installing two agents separately is not going to make any sense. So what we are going to do, we'll just click on inside the endpoint protection. We'll just choose components, okay? And currently we are not focusing on drive encryption as well as ZTNA, but if you need dedicated video on this topic, then let me know, I'll make for you, okay? And we'll just keep detection and response, okay? And just for your demonstration purpose, we'll install this XDR agent, okay? So this is the setup which we have downloaded. Yeah, it's loaded. Now let's click on right click and run this as a administrator, and our installation is got started. So initially we just have to wait for some time. Let's click on install. So guys, since this is an online installer, you can see the size 2.86 MB. So now it's downloading the setup files, okay? So it's completely dependent on your internet speed, how much fast is it. Based on that, it will take appropriate time or required time to download the setup. And after downloading, the installation will get start automatically. Currently I don't have Sophos agent installed on my machine guys, so let's wait for some time for this to get complete. Download has been completed and now it's trying to install the Sophos agent. Installation is completed successfully. Now let me click on finish, and that's it. You can see here your Sophos agent, Sophos endpoint agent. So let's right click and open Sophos endpoint agent. Your device is protected, no malware POS, Sophos software, no issues found. Here are the events and detection, and based on the categories it will show you the detection. Once we started violating the policy, we will be able to see the detection count here, okay guys? If you ever want to scan your agent, then what you can do, you can simply click on quick scan or full scan, and your system will get scanned automatically. And if you want to open the settings of this all the policies, then what you can do, you can simply click on admin sign in, and here you will have to enter the tamper protection password. And how exactly you can get that, let me show you that as well. Simply go to your console, then you will have to go to the, and this is the agent on which I have installed the Sophos XDR agent, right? And it started showing, or you can say it's reflecting now. So if I click on that, now simply scroll down and here you will find view password details, okay? So let me just current this is the current password, so let's copy this, okay? And now this password we need to enter into this particular location and click on admin sign in. Okay, now guys, we have got one more option, that is settings, okay? So here are the some of the settings options which is get visible to you, okay? And if you want to make any changes on this particular system, you will simply need to click on this override Sophos central policy up to 4 hours to troubleshoot, okay? This option will get enabled, and then you can modify the settings as per your requirement. Let me just cancel this and sign out from this admin. Now let's go to the about, and here you will see the versions, okay? Sophos core agent, Sophos Intercept X, this type of information. Now guys, what I'll do, I'll just close this and we'll again go back to the installer. Now guys, since we have successfully installed our Sophos malware protection along with endpoint protection Intercept X, right? So there is a one thing I would like to let you know, how exactly you can download the Intercept X, okay? So if you want, you can download from here as well, okay? So I'll just remove this drive encryption and ZTNA, and I'll simply click on download installer. Okay, and it will get downloaded. Yes, successfully downloaded. Now some of the people have third-party antivirus or something like that, and they just want to install XDR solution, right, or sensor from Sophos. Then in this situation, what you can do, you can select this sensor version from XDR sensor installer. Okay, and simply click on download, and it will get downloaded. So things are very simple. Now let me just try execute this our sensor, run as administrator. This thing I'm doing guys just for your information. Okay, although I'll be able to include everything in a single setup as well, but this is just for your information. Perfect guys, our agent has been successfully installed. Okay, and it required one restart. So what I'll do, I'll just restart this after some time. But when we go to the computers now, so this is our machine, right? TSW11. Let me show you the host name as well, just for your reference. So this is CMD, and when I check host name, so TSW11. So this is the client on which we have installed agent, and this is the my operating systems, and protection type is XDR sensor. Okay, now let me just restart. So guys, I have just now rebooted my system. Now let's check out what is the status of our agent. So as I can just go, here you can see core agent version as well as Sophos Intercept X, and current status is it's updating now, right? So rest of the things are very much same. There is no change in that. So let me just close this. It has the one event log, that is my system has been rebooted. So let's close this, and what I'll do, I'll just simply go to the computers, and here you go. So guys, sometimes people are getting confused, like how exactly they can identify whether the XDR is installed or it's just running with the Intercept X or just a core agent. So that is something which you can identify here. When you go to that particular system, you can see the assign, right? XDR is currently working on my machine. Which machine? Then that is TSW11. So this is the best one of the way, just for your confirmation, that how exactly you can determine which products are installed from the central location, which means your console. And rest of the fields are, it has some logs. Here is some policy, computer related information, event status, policies. Okay, and here are some AD related information. This is something which we are not using, and it has some little more information. Okay, so that's how basically you will be able to define here all the things which is available. And with this guys, I really hope that now you have completely understood how exactly you can download and install your Sophos Intercept X along with your XDR agent. And I have demonstrated two ways, right? Because some of the people don't have XDR license, some of the people has. Okay, so in this situation, how exactly you can do that? So this is the things which I tried to cover. Although if you don't have XDR license, then you will not be able to see that particular XDR installer option while you download the setup. But this is just for your information, because every organization has their different way to utilize, right? And with this demonstration video, I believe that your lots of things are got clear. And if so, then please click on the like button, and don't forget to share and subscribe, and enable the bell icon, so that as and when I'll upload new video, you guys will get notification, so that you will never miss my future video. So that's it in this video guys. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.